Very good evening, all of you. Hope you all are doing well. Let's start with today's session. Some more things remaining about list that we'll try to cover today. Some more methods are there. Methods for counting how many times element appear in your list. There's one method called count. It's a method, remember. Method means you'll call it using a dot operator. So your list object dot count and give the element. Okay. So it will check how many times that element occurs in your list and it will return the count of it. Okay. That simple this method is list.count and give the element. Just returns number of occurrences of this element in the list. Calculates total occurrences of given element in list. Example, now this is your list and you're finding out how many times 1 is occurring. So you can check 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 is occurring 4 times. So if you give any element which is not there, it will give you count 0. That's simple it is. Okay. See, I'm creating a list 10, 20, again 10, 40, 50, 40, 50, 10, 50, 10. Print a dot count, suppose 10. And I'm writing print a dot count 100. If any element is not there, you'll get count 0. And if the element is present, it will return how many times it is occurring. So all these methods are making your work easy. Means you don't have to waste your time in writing such logics. Like someone tells that this is a list and this is an element, please find how many times that element is present. So you don't write logic. There are direct ready-made methods provided which will do that counting work. Okay. Can you see for the first 10, it is giving 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And 100 is not there. Therefore, it is returning 0. Now, next is to search any element in the list. And if the element is present, it will return its position. Okay. So you want to search whether any element is there in the list or not. And if the element is present, it will return its position. And absent, it will return an index error. Okay. By default, the search is done in the entire list. Entire list it will search. But suppose you want to do the searching only within the specified range, then you can give the start and end. Understanding? Okay. So if you give start, then the search will start from that start position. And if you give end, then the search will start, stop at that end. So I'm giving start. Then it will search the element from that start position. After that, it will search. And where the search will stop, just before end. End is always exclusive. So just before that, the search is going to stop. And if you don't give this start and end, by default, the search is done in the entire list. Okay? See, returns index. Index means the position of your element. Now, this element may appear many times. Then also it's going to search its first occurrence. Okay, so returns the index of first occurrence of element in list. And if you have given this start and end, then the search will be done only within that range. अगर आपने start and end दिया रहेगा, तो search सिर्फ वो range में होगा. Okay, see, I'm taking the same array, a dot index 1. Now 1 is present at which position? First occurrence of 1 at 0th position. Can you see? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, going on. So 1 is present at which position? 0th position. It will return 0. Okay? If you are writing a dot index 10, now 10 is not there only. It will generate a value error. It will not give index error, value error. 10 is not in list. Okay? And depends if you give the start position and all. Like in this only, you're searching 1. Okay? But the search is from 3. I'm searching 1 only, but the search is starting from 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Now search is starting from 3. So from 3 onwards, there is 1 present at 5th position. So it will return 5. I have given only start, not end. So if you give start and not end, then till the end of the list. So शुरू कहां से करेगा? 3 से till the end of the list. So from 3 till the end of the list, where is 1 present? At 5th position. So it will return 5. Okay? Example in this only I'll show you. Print a dot index. Suppose 40 I'm given. Okay? Where is 40 or I take 10 only, suppose. Where is 10 present? 10 का पहला occurrence किधर present है? 0 position. Right? So it is returning 0. But if you are trying to search a dot index 10 and the search is starting from third position. See 0, 1, 2, 3. Third position से search शुरू हो गया. ठीक है? So from third position onwards 0, 1, 2, 3. Now from third position onwards, where is 10 present? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it should return 7. Get it? I hope you're understanding this. And suppose you give some element which is absent, like 100. It will generate value error. Can you see? Value error 100 is not in list. Okay? And suppose I'm giving end as well. Like in this case, okay, I'm searching 10. The search is starting from 3, but the search will stop at 7. See here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 3. Okay? 3, 4, 5, and 6. I told you 7 is exclusive. Search will start from 3 and it will stop at 7. 7 is exclusive. So tell me, from 3 to 7, is 10 present?
No.
So it should generate value error. Because within that range, 10 is not there. You can check. See. Is it giving again value error? Value 10 is not in list. Value 10 is not in list. Why? Because you are searching only within the range 3 to 7. 3 to 7. This is only the highlighted thing. 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 is exclusive, remember. Instead of 7, if I do 9, just check. So 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 is exclusive. Now within that, is 10 present? Yes. At which place? 7th place. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So instead of error, it will give 7. Okay. So I hope you got it. All the things. Concept is clear.
Yes.
Then there are some methods for sorting and reversing also. Okay. Like there is one method called sort. Yesterday also we have discussed sorted. One built-in function sorted, if you remember. But that was function, built-in function. To that we were passing list. And it was returning a new list, which is a sorted list. You remember, guys? It was
Yes.
returning a new list, which is a sorted list. And by default, ascending. And comma, if you give reverse equal to true, then descending it was given. But that was a built-in function. Now there is one method called sort, and it's a method, means list is supposed to invoke it using dot operator. So L dot sort, that's all. This is in place sorting, means it is going to sort the original list only. It is not going to return you a new sorted list. नया sorted list नहीं रिटर्न करेगा, अपनी ओरिजिनल लिस्ट को ही सॉर्ट करने वाला। तो ये रिटर्न कुछ नहीं करेगा, but if you check your list, it has been sorted by default ascending. And here also, if you give reverse equal to true flag, that attribute if you pass, then it is going to do reverse sorting, means descending order. ठीक है? See here, list.sort. This is the method, guys, and that was a built-in function. तो sorted built-in function क्या कर रहा था? In place sorting नहीं करता। It returns you a new sorted list. The original list remains as it is. Here, the original list itself is going to get sorted. So list.sort, if you don't pass this, it is by default ascending. And if you give reverse equal to true, that's what, no? Default it is false. Therefore, it is not reverse, means it is ascending. Okay, sort the given list in ascending order. By default, sorting is in ascending. If the key reverse equal to true is passed, then it is descending. So this is your list, a dot sort, and then print and see. It doesn't return anything, guys. It is going to sort the original list only. Original list itself is modified. Therefore, we call it as it is a in-place sorting. See, 6, 12, 23, 24, 67, 89. And if you pass reverse equal to true, then the same thing is in descending order. Right? Okay, I hope clear. What we'll do is, yesterday we created this list of names. See, yesterday you can check sorted of names when I wrote. It returned a new sorted list, but the original list was as it is. Here you will see names.sort and print names. When I'm printing names, that itself proves the original list is sorted. Can you see? And if you want to sort it in reverse order, you can. You can just give reverse equal to true. And then print and see. It will be in descending order. Getting? Okay. So I hope this part is clear. Then there is one more method called reverse. And for reversing also, there is a built-in function called reversed. Okay? And you can pass list. Reversed built-in function is also there, and reverse method is also there. Only the difference is reverse method will do in-place reversing. Original list only is reverse. Reverse meaning the order of the elements is changed. The first element becomes last element. Getting? Second becomes second last. Okay? It is just flip. It will flip your list. Means list contains 1, 2, 3. So reverse will become 3, 2, 1. Understanding? The first element becomes last, second last, like that. So there is one method also, reverse, but it is in place. And there is one more built-in function also called reversed, as like sorted. जैसे ये sorted नाम का built-in function है, वैसे एक reversed नाम का एक क्या है, built-in function भी है, देखो यहाँ, right? But it returns a new reversed list. But वो iterator आता है, वो directly list नहीं रहेगा. See, I'll show you. Print reversed. See. and names. It returns a iterator. You have to use that iterator in a for loop to traverse it, or you have to convert it into a list object. इस तरह से list में convert करना पड़ेगा. So when you convert it to list, you'll get all. But it is not going to modify the original list. If you check your original list is as it is. See. Why? Because this is not doing in place. Okay? ये in place नहीं करता. ये न्यू रिवर्स लिस्ट रिटर्न. एक्चुअली वो रिवर्स लिस्ट भी नहीं, एक इटरेटर रिटर्न करेगा, एंड यू कैन यूज दैट इटरेटर इन अ फॉर लूप फॉर ट्रैवर्सिंग, और यू कैन कन्वर्ट इट टू लिस्ट. सो वो इटरेटर सारे एलिमेंट्स एक एक करके लिस्ट में ऐड करके आपको एक न्यू लिस्ट ऐड करके देगा. करेक्ट? बट ओरिजिनल लिस्ट इज as it is. And now, if you check for the method reverse, okay, and now if you print and see names, the original list only is reversed. Can you see? देखो हमने names ही print किया है, names ही itself क्या हो चुका है, reverse हुआ है. So that also you should remember. Reverses the internal order of all elements in list. Internal order means you got, no? Zeroth position will become last, one second last, like that. A equal to, it is just flipping, flip कर रहा है. तो ये flip किया तो ये 40 यहाँ आएगा, 30, 20, 10, like that. See here, a dot reverse. Reverse is a method, not a built-in function. And as it is a method, it will do the changes in the original list only. Original list itself is reversed. Okay? I hope this part is also clear to you. Okay, can you give me quick confirmation so that some more things are there?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Next is creating copy of a list. Creating copy of a list. Now, in this first thing, I have to tell you, like whenever you create one list, suppose L1 equal to some values are there in it, 5, 8, 2. Okay, always remember this 5, 8, 2 are also objects. Huh? They are also separately in the memory. Their references are stored. So internally, it creates a list in the memory. Then 5 is also object. It will be also somewhere in the memory. 8 is also object. It is also somewhere in the memory. 2 is also object. Every object will have a reference. Then that 5 object reference, 8 object reference, 2 object reference. All these are kept in this list. And this list will also have a reference that will come in L1. Okay? So L1 will contain the reference of the list, and the list will contain reference of each element. Whatever elements are there, 5, 8, 2. So 5 is also one object. It will be somewhere in the memory. 8 is an object, somewhere in the memory. 2 is an object. Their references are kept. Now what I do is L2 equal to L1 if I write. So we think as if another copy is created, L2 equal to L1. So it doesn't create any copy. It will just simply store the reference of L1 in L2. L2 में L1 का सिर्फ reference आ जाएगा. Copy नहीं create करेगा. It won't create a new copy. Understanding? Simply whatever is there in L1 that it will give to L2. And therefore L2 will also refer to the same list. Understanding? And therefore, if L1 makes any changes, it adds some element, it is seen to L2. If L2 adds something, जैसे L2 अगर एक element delete कर रहा है, तो वो deleted element L1 को भी दिखेगा. Because they are not two different lists. Actually, they are one only. They are just two references to the same list. जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना, alias होता है alias. Like आपका original name कुछ तो है. You're having original name Nishant, then your friends call you something else, your favorite person calls you something else, your mom dad calls you with different name, your grandma calls you with different name. These are just different names. Ultimately, they all are referring to one entity only. Exact same thing is happening. So when you create one list and you just assign that list to another variable, a copy is not created. Only the reference is copied. And therefore, both of them are referring to the same list. Understanding? Both referring to the same list. So if L1 makes any changes, suppose L1 ने यहाँ कुछ add किया, तो वो changes L2 को भी दिखेगा. And L2 ने अगर कुछ changes किया, like L2 ने किसी को delete किया, तो वो L1 को भी दिखेगा. क्यों? It is like ऐसे सोचो कि एक ही घर के दो keys है. एक की मेरे पास है, एक की नेबर के पास रखा है, बट दोनों की एक ही घर के. तो both are accessing the same house. So this is also accessing the same list. This is also accessing the same list. But our intention was not this. मुझे copy create करना था. Complete. Means what I want is L1 equal to 582. तो I want a copy of L1. एक अलग सा list create होना चाहिए. उसमें 5 का reference, 8 का reference and 2 का. हाँ, बट L2 के लिए 582 नया नहीं बनेगा. वो सेम है मेमोरी में. सिर्फ उसका रेफरेंस वो अपने लिस्ट में रखेगा एंड इट विल रेफर टू इट्स ओन लिस्ट. L2 अपने लिस्ट को रेफर करेगा, L1 अपने लिस्ट को. अंडरस्टैंडिंग गाइस? L1 will refer to its list, L2 will refer to its list. Initially both are having same value. इनिशियली दोनों में सेम, क्योंकि मुझे कॉपी क्रिएट करना है ना. कॉपी, कॉपी मीन्स क्लोन, क्लोन मीन्स डुप्लीकेट. तो इसका पूरा डुप्लीकेट बनाना है. तो L2 also will have same value. But later when L1 adds something, तो वो सिर्फ L1 में, L2 में नहीं है. या अगर L2 ने कुछ डिलीट किया, तो सिर्फ L2 के लिए डिलीट होगा, L1 के लिए नहीं. L1 के पास तो वो रेफरेंस है अभी तक, L2 से सिर्फ रेफरेंस निकल जाएगा. So I want a clone to be created. I don't want only the reference should be copied. Then in that case, what you have to do is you have to use copy method. L1 तो अपना बना ही है पहले, ठीक है? Whatever it is, 5, 2. And then you will write like this, L2 equal to L1 dot copy. There is another way also. और एक वे है बाय यूजिंग लिस्ट फंक्शन. एक्चुअली वो फंक्शन है, वो कंस्ट्रक्टर होता है, बट एट दिस मोमेंट ऐसे समझ के चलेंगे कि एक लिस्ट नाम का फंक्शन भी है, वो भी यूज कर सकते हो, बिल्ट इन फंक्शन. और यू कैन मेक यूज ऑफ दिस मेथड L1 dot copy. Now what this copy method will do, it will create a clone, it will create a duplicate of L1. जो उसको इन्वोक करता है, who is invoking copy L1. तो जिसने उसको इन्वोक किया या जिसके कॉन्टेक्स्ट में ये इन्वोक हुआ है, copy is invoked in whose context? L1. It will create a duplicate of L1 and return the reference of that duplicate. Getting? तो देखो इधर L1 तो है ऑलरेडी अपने पास. ये ऐसे ही होता है, हमें लगता है कि इसके अंदर ही 582 रखा है. नो, 5 भी एक ऑब्जेक्ट है, 8 भी ऑब्जेक्ट है, 2 भी ऑब्जेक्ट है. तो 5 भी कहीं ना कहीं तो मेमोरी में है. Understanding? 8 is also there. Everyone is an object. It's a Python language. Python is everything object based, pure object oriented. It is not like Java. Java में कैसे 8 data types primitive है, वो object जैसे नहीं होते. Get it? Same like JavaScript. JavaScript में जाओगे ना तो same concept है. तो 5 एक ऑब्जेक्ट, 8 एक ऑब्जेक्ट, 2 एक ऑब्जेक्ट. तो इनके रेफरेंसेस ये लिस्ट में रखा है, लिस्ट का रेफरेंस L1 के पास है. Now when you write L1 dot copy, what it will do, it will create a duplicate of L1. Means again एक नया लिस्ट बनेगा and it will create a duplicate. Means ये duplicate में भी वो same 582 का रेफरेंस. Means initially both will have same value. So L1 dot copy किया तो L1 का पूरा डुप्लीकेट बना है, ठीक है? एंड ये L2 जो डुप्लीकेट बना है उसका रेफरेंस रिटर्न किया जो हमने किस में कलेक्ट किया, L2 में. ठीक है? Now when you are doing any changes, they will be in the individual, एक दूसरे को अफेक्ट नहीं करेंगे। जैसे L1 में अपेंड किया तो यहां अपेंड होने वाला है, वो इसको कुछ इफेक्ट नहीं करेगा। या यहां से अगर किसी को रिमूव किया, लाइक आई एम डिलीटिंग 5, तो इट विल डिलीट 5 मींस यहां से सिर्फ रेफरेंस निकल जाएगा। ये 5 है अभी, क्यों? क्योंकि उसका रेफरेंस इसके पास है, तो ये 5 को रेफर करते रहेगा, ये नहीं, इसके पास से 5 का रेफरेंस चला गया। अंडरस्टैंडिंग? तो बोथ कैन डू द चेंजेस इंडिविजुअली। Understanding? And that is done by this copy method. And there is one more way also. Instead of calling copy method, there is one function list. And to that you can pass your list object. This will also create a copy of L1 and return you, which you can collect it. ये भी वही करता है, L1 का डुप्लीकेट बनाएगा और उसका रेफरेंस रिटर्न, फिर जो डुप्लीकेट बनाए उसका रेफरेंस रिटर्न करके हमने L2 में कलेक्ट किया। ठीक है? So basic idea you got it. See, simply assigning list 1 to list 2. Just एक लिस्ट दूसरे लिस्ट, कॉपी क्रिएट नहीं होता है. It is not creating a copy. Only reference will be copied. Getting? That is both list 1 and list 2 will refer to the same memory. Okay? If you want, उसका justification दिखाता हूँ. If you make change to list 1, the changes are seen to list 2 and vice versa. अगर list 2 में change किया तो वो list 1 को भी दिखने वाला है. इतना चेंजेस वगैरह करके दिखाने की भी जरूरत नहीं, दोनों का एड्रेस प्रिंट करके देखो, दोनों का एड्रेस सेम ही आने वाला है, वही प्रूफ करता है, दैट इटसेल्फ प्रूव्स दैट व्हेन यू असाइन वन लिस्ट टू अनदर, ओनली द रेफरेंस इज कॉपीड, क्लोन इज नॉट क्रिएटेड, डुप्लीकेट नहीं बनता है। देखो, a equal to 10 20 30, print a, it will print it, then I'm writing b equal to a and print b, that will also print the same thing. If you're printing the addresses, वो address itself same है। इतना भी बास है बताने के लिए। This much is also sufficient to prove that when you assign one list to another, copy is not created, only the reference is copied. ये एड्रेस ही सेम आता है, यही प्रूफ करता है कि ये दोनों अलग नहीं है, ये दो सिर्फ रेफरेंसेस है जो दोनों किसको रेफर कर रहे हैं, सेम मेमोरी को। अंडरस्टैंडिंग क्लियर? अभी ये सब चीजें हैं, ये सब एक्स्ट्रा है, हमारे मराठी में वाडियो बोलते हैं, दिस इज जस्ट एक्स्ट्रा। आई एम टेलिंग, नो नीड ऑफ दिस, दिस इज सफिशिएंट टू प्रूव दैट व्हेन यू असाइन वन लिस्ट टू अनदर, copy is not created, only the reference is copied, and therefore both will be referring to the same memory. And that's why, can you see, when you're printing the address of A and address of B, the addresses are coming same. Get it? Okay, we'll try to justify here. A equal to 10 20 30 and B equal to A and right. You can print and see both A and B, and print and see address of A and address of B. ठीक है? See, is it display? Now this is server side address. ये server side का है because we are on the Google Colab. So it is using everything on the server side. Only the output it is sending it to the client side. So can you see? List are same, the addresses are same. Now if I add something, a dot append 40, तो A में append किया है तो B में append होगा क्या? Yes, एक ही है ना वो. They are not different, guys. ओके, नाउ यू प्रिंट एंड सी 40 दोनों को दिखता है। या अगर मैंने बी से कुछ रिमूव किया, बी डॉट पॉप 1 सपोज, नाउ हु इज दैट वन प्लेस? 20, 0 1 2 3, तो पॉप 20 किया है, सॉरी मीनिंग वन द पोजीशन पे 20 है, एंड नाउ प्रिंट एंड सी दोनों जगह पे 20 चला गया रहेगा। ये सब एक्स्ट्रा चीज है प्रूव करने के लिए, एक्चुअली ये इतना सफिशिएंट था, एड्रेस सेम आता है, यही प्रूफ करता है when you assign one list to another, clone is not created, only the references are copied. सी ए डॉट अपेंड 60, ए में 60 दिखेगा, बट बी प्रिंट करके देखोगे उसमें भी 60 है। बी ऑफ 0 5 कर रहा हूं। Can we modify elements in the list in this way? Yes, we have studied, guys. Past का भूलते मत जाओ। B of 0 equal to 5. So what is at 0th place? 10 is becoming 5. But B of 5 बना तो A को भी वो change दिखने वाला है। Get it? तो ultimately ये सब extra proving का part जरूरत भी नहीं था। ये sufficient था बताने के लिए कि whenever you assign one list to another, only the references are copied. And as a reference is copied, both are referring to the same memory. And therefore, if you make change in one list, the change is seen to another and vice versa. But my intention was not like this. मेरा इंटेंशन ये नहीं था, मुझे चाहिए था कि क्लोन बनना चाहिए, डुप्लीकेट। अंडरस्टैंडिंग? जैसे L1 अपने लिस्ट को रेफर कर रहा है, इनिशियली उसमें जो भी है 1 है, 5 है, 7 है, तो एक डुप्लीकेट क्रिएट होना चाहिए एंड उसमें भी इनिशियली क्या रहना चाहिए? सेम वैल्यू। अंडरस्टैंडिंग? एंड इनिशियली बोथ आर सेम। क्लोन इनिशियली सेम ही होता है ना, जैसे ट्विंस पैदा होता है तो जनरली दे आर सेम, बट बाद में वो ग्रो होते समय जरूरी नहीं, एक कोई बहुत ज्यादा इंटेक लेता है, एक बहुत कम लेता है, तो नॉट नेसेसरी दे लुक सेम। करेक्ट? साइज में थोड़े कम ज्यादा हो सकता है। तो यर व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, इधर कुछ ऐड किया तो यहां चेंज नहीं दिखेगा, यहां से कुछ रिमूव किया तो यहां नहीं होने वाला। ठीक है? तो हाउ द क्लोनिंग इज टू बी डन? इट इज टू बी डन बाय कॉपी मेथड। तो लिस्ट डॉट कॉपी। So what this copy method will do, it will create a duplicate of this list. Which list? Which is in context of which you are invoking. जिसके context में invoke, उसका duplicate बनाएगा. And it will return the reference of that duplicate. Reference means address, huh, guys? मैं बहुत बार reference बोलता हूँ, तो reference is a terminology. Reference means address. So it will return the address of that copy. But initially both will have same element. ठीक है? Copy method will return copy, that is clone of list. Right? See, in this only we will show the justification करके दिखाएंगे. B equal to A dot copy. Initially if you print and see, दोनों को print किया and दोनों का addresses print किया. ठीक है? यहां address ही different आएगा. Is the address different? Now this different address itself proves, but दोनों का value same है ना initially 10 20 30 10 20 30, but the addresses are different. That itself proves copy has created a clone of A and returned the reference of that clone. उसने वो clone का address return किया, इसलिए देखो A dot append 40 का, ठीक है? अभी मैंने A में 40 append किया एंड दोनों को प्रिंट किया, तो आपको 40 सिर्फ A में दिखेगा, B में नहीं। Can you see? 40 is in A but not in B. And same way, if I remove or I'm modifying B of 0 equal to 5, and again I'm trying to print. So B of 0 5, तो ये 10 से 5 होगा, ये नहीं। Can you see? B का 10 5 हो गया बट इसका नहीं। एंड ऐड किया तो अपेंड ए में ही हुआ है, बी में नहीं। व्हाई? बिकॉज दे आर डिफरेंट कॉपीज। इनिशियली दे कंटेन सेम वैल्यू, क्योंकि इनिशियली वो क्लोन है एक दूसरे के, डुप्लीकेट्स है, बट लेटर दे कैन इंडिपेंडेंटली चेंज देमसेल्फ। ये बाकी का चीजें भी बताने की जरूरत नहीं थी, ये इटसेल्फ सफिशिएंट है। जब इनके एड्रेस ही अलग आता है, यही प्रूव करता है कि एक क्लोन क्रिएट हुआ है, रेफरेंस नहीं कॉपी हुआ। ठीक है? A equal to 10 20, B equal to A dot copy, print, initially both are same, print the addresses, addresses itself are different. जब एड्रेस ही अलग है, यही प्रूव करता है कि A dot copy ने क्लोन क्रिएट करके रिटर्न किया। देखो A में 40 अपेंड करते हैं, 40 is only in A, not in B. Okay? I hope this is clear. And there is one more way also of creating a duplicate by using list function. ये लिस्ट फंक्शन यूज करके भी क्लोन क्रिएट कर सकते हो। सेम कॉपी करता हूं, only instead of method copy we will use that list function, list of b, sorry, list of a. See, effect is same. Is it creating a copy of a? लिस्ट ऑफ ए लिखा तो ए का एक पूरा कॉपी लिस्ट क्रिएट करेगा एंड वो कॉपी लिस्ट का एड्रेस रिटर्न। तो जब दोनों इनिशियली प्रिंट करोगे सेम, बट जब एड्रेसेस प्रिंट करोगे आर द एड्रेसेस डिफरेंट? यस। इफ यू ऐड इन ए इट इज ओनली इन ए नॉट इन बी, इफ यू चेंज बी इट इज ओनली इन बी नॉट इन ए। ठीक है, तो यू कैन यूज दिस फंक्शन लिस्ट ऑल्सो टू क्रिएट अ कॉपी दैट इज अ क्लोन। See, A equal to 10, 20, 30, B equal to list of A. Will it create a copy of A? Yes. Initially, when you print, elements are same. But if you print the addresses are itself different. When these addresses are only different, that proves that list has created a copy of A and returned that copy address. Okay? So I hope this part is also clear to you. Right, guys?
Yes.
Then comes
Yes.
one more concept called list comprehension. Now, this is one favorite thing in interviews. Interview में ये favorite question होता है. What is list comprehension? Like you can say constructing a list or building a list in just single line code. Okay, means you can write the for loop itself in a square bracket. That's what comprehension. Comprehension means instead of writing lengthy for loops, you can produce the list by writing one single line of code. एक लाइन में ही पूरी लिस्ट कैसे बिल्ड कर सकते हैं, that's what you can see. स्क्वायर में ही फॉर लूप लिख देने का, like this, x, and you can write like this, for x in and whatever your range is. Suppose I'm saying range 5. So when you say range 5, values generated will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So for x in range, what will keep coming in x? First time 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. That only I'm giving here in square. So at the end, when you check your list, in that what will be there? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's not necessary direct x. You can take here x into x also. So whatever x, it's square. Here you can write if also. Conditions also you can put. But you're trying to write that for loop only within square bracket, and you're building that list in single line code. That is list comprehension. How the facility given is. See. So list comprehension is a short and elegant way to create a new list by writing loop, and if you need any if and else in a single line. Means within the loop, if you need any if else condition and all, so you can use that optional condition. But in a single line code, see, in one line only you write for item in iterable. So from that iterable, one by one items will come in that. This is your iterable. So for loop, what for loop keep doing? One by one value, it will copy an item. On that item, if you do some processing and generate new item, that you are writing in a square. स्क्वायर में लिखा है तो ये फॉर लूप जितनी बार चलेगा उतने आइटम्स जनरेट होंगे और वो आइटम्स सब स्क्वायर में डाल देगा एंड डायरेक्टली एक लिस्ट क्रिएट करके देगा एंड इन दैट फॉर लूप ओनली यू कैन राइट सम कंडीशन। ठीक है, दिस इज द वेरी बेसिक वन। सी फॉर एक्स इन रेंज 1,6. So when this for loop will work, what will come in X every time? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6 exclusive. आपको पता है अभी ये. So every time what is coming in X? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That X only you are putting it in a square. So directly when you check your nums, it's a list of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Getting? इस पे और भी एक्टिविटीज कर सकते हो, लाइक इंस्टेड ऑफ एक्स यू कैन कंस्ट्रक्ट न्यू आइटम फ्रॉम इट, इसलिए इधर लिखा है न्यू आइटम। यही आइटम के ऊपर कुछ प्रोसेसिंग करके आप कुछ नया आइटम, तो यहां लिखा है एक्स इंटू एक्स। अंडरस्टैंडिंग? तो पहली बार एक्स वन है तो वन इंटू वन वन होगा, फिर फोर होगा, फिर नाइन होगा, अंडरस्टैंडिंग, 16 होगा, 25 होगा। तो वो जितने भी एलिमेंट जनरेट हुआ है वो स्क्वायर में, तो डायरेक्टली एक लिस्ट क्रिएट करके देगा। गेटिंग? सेम काम आप लोग अपेंड से भी कर सकते थे ना। अगर मुझे एक स्क्वायर वैल्यूज का एक लिस्ट चाहिए, तो एक लेंदी कोड क्या लिखते थे? पहले आप एक एम्प्टी अरे क्रिएट करते थे। एम्प्टी अरे मीन्स लिस्ट। कभी कभी मैं अरे वर्ड बोल देता हूं, बट अरे मीन्स लिस्ट। सो नम्स इक्वल टू स्क्वायर, राइट? एक एम्प्टी। फिर आप लोग एक फॉर लूप चलाते थे, फॉर एक्स इन रेंज 1,6। ठीक है? ऐसा एक लूप चलाते थे। फिर लिखते थे नम्स डॉट अपेंड, अपेंड मेथड याद है ना? एंड इसको पास क्या करोगे? एक्स इंटू एक्स। ठीक है? लास्ट में देखोगे नम्स में क्या रहेगा, 1 से लेके 5 तक का स्क्वायर। बट इसके लिए ऐसे लॉजिक लिखा ना, एक एम्प्टी लिस्ट क्रिएट किया, फिर फॉर लूप चलाया, फिर वो एक एक एलिमेंट का स्क्वायर या एम्प्टी लिस्ट में अपेंड किया। सेम थिंग इन अ कंसाइज, इन अ प्रिसाइज फॉर्म, इन वन लाइन यू आर डूइंग, इसलिए उसको लिस्ट कॉम्प्रिहेंशन कहते हैं। Getting? तो एक ही लिस्ट लाइन के कोड में हमने वो काम कर दिया। इंटरनली सेम हो रहा है गाइस, internally it is doing the same thing. For x in range 1 comma 6, 1 by 1 in x, what will come? 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. Then its square, it is appending in that list. And finally, it is giving you the last list. Okay? So instead of writing these 3 lines code, you can do it in 1 line. Understanding? List comprehension समझ रहा है ना? It is not only for numbers, it is up to you. अब अलग अलग के लिए भी कर सकते हैं, लाइक एग्जांपल देता हूं। ओके, पहले नंबर्स पे लेते हैं। सी, x इंटू एक्स फॉर x इन रेंज 1,6। ठीक है? प्रिंट एंड सी योर नम्स। इज इट स्क्वायर? ओके, you can create for list of strings as well, like for example ये अपने पास एक है। ठीक है? This is one list of names and I want a new list in which all should be in capital, सब कुछ अपर केस में चाहिए। ठीक है? तो अपर नेम्स में लिख रहा हूं, इक्वल टू, कैसे लिस्ट कॉम्प्रिहेंशन कर रहा हूं देखो, x dot upper, upper is a function, method, upper is a method of string। ठीक है? And then I'll just write for x in names, that's all, for x in names. So will it give one by one name in x? First time Ajay, Ram, Tom, Bob, Aliya, Nishan, तो एक एक करके वो नेम्स आते रहेंगे और उसका हम लोग डॉट अपर कर रहे हैं। तो डॉट अपर करके जो अपर केस की स्ट्रिंग आएगी वो स्क्वायर में अपेंड हो रहा है, एंड डायरेक्टली यू आर गेटिंग अनदर लिस्ट कॉल्ड अपर नेम्स। सी, has it converted everything to upper? तो ऐसे जितने भी वन लाइनर कोड्स हैं वो कोशिश करने के, मीन्स दैट इज व्हाट एक्सपेक्टेड इन द इंटरव्यूज। नाउ निशान का तो अभी 4 साल अभी डिग्री है अभी, बट सम आई गेस लुब्धा इज preparing for job only. She is learning so that immediately she'll get a job. तो आपको वो पर्सपेक्टिव से चिंता करना है कि इंटरव्यूज में जनरली ऐसे एक्सपेक्टेड रहेगा कि आप कोड्स वन लाइनर में कैसे लिखें, हाउ यू आर ट्राइंग टू अवॉइड द लेंदी कोड्स, लेंदी कोड्स कैसे आप कम से कम करने की कोशिश करें। Correct? So this is one approach, list comprehension. Ifs भी use कर सकते हो, like from 1 till 11 all even numbers I want, so you can put if condition. Like in this names only, suppose you want only those whose length is more than 3, 3 से ज्यादा names जितने हैं वो मुझे इसमें ट्रांसफर करने, तो यहाँ पे कंडीशन डाल उनको ही अपर केस में सपोज, तो आई कैन पुट कंडीशन लाइक दिस, इफ len of x, ठीक है, len of x greater than 3, I'm putting the condition like that. Only those x will be converted to upper. See. Now, is it considering Ram, Tom, Bob? वो रिजेक्ट हुआ है क्योंकि उनके लेंथ 3 से ज्यादा नहीं है. करेक्ट? तो जिनका 3 से ज्यादा है वो आ गया. तो you can add such conditions as well. In this case, only which x it is putting in E1? Those x whose mod 2 is 0. Mod 2 means you're understanding, no? You're taking remainder after dividing by 2. So remainder after dividing by 2, if it's coming 0, means it is even number. Only even are getting added. Okay? Hope it is clear.
Yes.
Okay? List comprehension कोशिश करने का, जहां possible है वहां list comprehension से codes generate करो. ठीक है? Then list unpacking is there. Like you have a list and you want to copy the elements of that list in different variables. ठीक है? So there is a provision. You can give list of variables on the left side. Left side list of variables देना है. Variable 1, variable 2, जितने equal to और आपका list. Actually, it is applicable for any iterable. Tuple के लिए भी applicable है, but currently we are talking in context of list. ठीक है? So single element, one by one element will get copied in one variable, second in second, like that. ठीक है? हाँ, but it need like how many elements are there in the list, that many variables you need to have. ये unpacking हो रहा है. अपने real life में भी होता है ना, when mom comes from market with a bag of all the groceries or veggies or fruits and all those things, then she doesn't keep that bag as it is. She starts unpacking it, meaning she starts removing each item and keeping it at appropriate place. Right or no? So if she is removing fruit, she'll put it in fruit basket. So that is a variable. That basket is a variable. So from this bag, she is removing fruits and putting in fruit basket. Then if there are veggies, so she'll remove it and put it in that refrigerator container. तो वो रेफ्रिजरेटर के अंदर का कंटेनर भी एक वेरिएबल, यहां से निकाल के वहां डाल दिया. Getting? So this way unpacking is happening. Unpacking is going on. So you can do unpacking on any iterable, but currently we are talking on list. So list unpacking is process of assigning elements of a list to multiple variables in a single statement. Getting? Like I'm having one list A 10, 20, 30. And I'm just writing x comma y comma z equal to A. You can print and see those variables x, y, z. What has happened? X, Y, Z तीन वेरिएबल्स है, मीन्स ये तीन कंटेनर्स है. तो A के एक एक वैल्यू X में, Y में, Z में गया. तो 10 गया, 20 गया, 30 गया. When you print and see three variables, in that the three values are gone. Clear? Okay. But सिर्फ देखना है कि इसमें कम ज्यादा रहेगा. तो how it works? Like here if it is 40. Does it give an error? Unpacking के समय वो too many values का error आएगा. Because in your list there are many. List में काफी है. ठीक है? In list there are many values and the variables are less. It gives an error. And vice versa, अगर यहाँ कम है, ठीक है? Then also it will generate an error. Not enough values to unpack. Means variables ज्यादा लिए हैं, और लिस्ट में कम वैल्यू है. अंडरस्टैंडिंग? In the list, there are less and the variables some more. Then it gives not enough values to unpack. And if you have more, then also it gives too many का error आता है. तो ये errors याद रहने चाहिए. See, too many values to unpack. ओके. इसमें एक कॉन्सेप्ट है, लाइक अगर आपको चाहिए कि ए का 10x में जाना चाहिए, 20y में जाना चाहिए, एंड रिमेनिंग एवरीथिंग शुड गो इन z. पूरा बचा हुआ z में जाना चाहिए. अंडरस्टैंडिंग? एज अ लिस्ट, अगेन वो सब लिस्ट, तो यहां एक स्टार देने का प्रोविजन है. सी, कैन यू सी? जैसे मैंने इधर स्टार डाल दिया तो अभी एरर नहीं आता. क्यों? अनपैकिंग वैसे हुआ. ए का पहला वैल्यू एक्स में गया, दूसरा वैल्यू वाई में, एंड एज वी हैव पुट स्टार ओवर हियर, इट विल टेक ऑल द रिमेनिंग एलिमेंट्स एंड पुट इट इन जेड. पूरे बचे हुए एलिमेंट्स जेड में. तो अब कुछ लोग कहेंगे स्टार अगर मिडिल में दिया तो इट 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 वर्क्स. देखो ऐसे दिया, ये z निकाला और यहां स्टार दिया. So what it will do, first value in x, last value in z, and all the remaining in between in y. मैपिंग कैसे हुआ? स्टार बीच में दिया, तो पहला एक वैल्यू x, पहला 10 जो है a का वो x में, लास्ट वैल्यू z, एंड बीच में जितने भी वैल्यूज है वो y में चला जाएगा. अंडरस्टैंडिंग? क्लियर? आई थिंक दो स्टार्स एक साथ नहीं वर्क करेंगे. It will not, because it doesn't know how many to put in y and how many to put in z. ऐसे वर्क नहीं होता है. सी, वो एरर ही आता है. कैन यू सी? यहाँ ये टाइपिंग एरर ही है, सिंटैक्टिक एरर ही है. इट इज शोइंग रेड. तो एट अ टाइम यू कैन नॉट हैव मल्टीपल स्टार. एक कोई तो आप स्टार डाल सकते हो. ठीक है? तो इस तरह से अनपैकिंग भी कर सकते हो. See, numbers equal to 10, 20, 30. A comma B comma C equal to numbers. This becomes so easy na, many times. Like अगर ये values आपको अलग अलग वेरिएबल में कॉपी करना है एंड फिर उन वेरिएबल्स पे काम करना है. You want to do work on those variable by copying the values from that list. This becomes so easy na, in one line. Otherwise, then what you are supposed to do? अगर ये unpacking concept नहीं है, तो one by one you'll copy. Na? In A, you'll copy numbers of 0. Then in B, you'll copy, which we used to do when I learned Pascal and C. उन लैंग्वेजेस में ऐसे ही करते थे. वहां ऐसे अनपैकिंग का टेक्निक कुछ नहीं था. करेक्ट? तो मैन्युअली एक एक ऐसे लिखना पड़ता था. NOS of 1 in B. Instead of writing like this is more easy, ना, unpacking technique. ठीक है? So you can print and see. So I hope this is clear. So all the concepts of list, I hope you remember.
Yes, sir.
Recall it. Huh? Now you have 2 days. Recall karo pura list, starting from how to create a list, how to access elements of the list, how we can make use of slice operator, extended slice operator, how you can modify values, right? Then adding values by append, extend, all those things, removing values, traversing a list, checking whether element is there in the list or no, right or no, searching, counting, sorting, all those things we have learned related to list. So all that, creating a copy of a list, joining to list, list repetition, all this concept, please recall. Okay? So for today,
Yes,
we'll
sir.
take a pause here. Now, next data structure, that is tuple, that we'll discuss in the next session.